Hello TSM Hub family. This is your host Soubhagya Sahoo, coming to you from the Stock Mantra Hub podcast. Today we are diving deep into a topic that's as important as your trading strategy itself, your mindset while you're actually sitting at the trading desk. I'm posting this particular podcast right now during the market hours is all because that you should have these points in your mind so that when you are trading, your psychology don't overrides you. Okay? So picture this. You are set up, screen on, coffee ready, and bam, the market opens. Suddenly it's like being a roller coaster. But unlike the theme park ride, there's no seatbelt to keep your emotions in check. So how do you keep calm and keep your head on straight while your portfolio swings on and down like a Bollywood dance routine? That's what we are here to discuss today. So why even the mindset matters at the desk? So alright, let's get straight. No amount of technical analysis or chart reading can save you in your mindset if it's not right. Because here's the truth, folks. If you lose control over your emotions, it doesn't matter if you're holding the best stock or your best position, you will end up making decisions that will leave you saying, what was I thinking? Think of like a mindset as your inner GPS. A solid, calm mindset will guide you through the twists and turns, but scattered, panicky mindset will. Let's just say you end up in a loss will nothing but regret, right? So let's make it our mission to stay on track with our emotional GPS, calm mode, shall we? So let's get comfortable with the unknown. First thing first, get comfortable so that the market's favorite game is to surprise us. We all know that it always gives us surprises. One minute you are up and the next you are down. The key is to remember that you don't control the market. If you are sitting at the desk with a tight grip on every trade, hoping to predict every move, you are setting yourself for one exhausting day. So instead, adopt a mindset of curiosity. Treat each market movement like an unfolding story, not like a horror movie. Think of it as going to the cinema without knowing the plot. You are in the thrill, not to predict every line in the script, right? So the importance of breathing. So I want to talk about breathing seriously. Alright, this might sound funny, but when was the last time you actually focused on your breathing while trading? So when the market's going haywire, even something as simple as taking a deep breath can keep you grounded. Just like, right? If you find your heart racing, just pause and breathe. Deep breathing actually reduces stress hormones, keeping your level headed. So remember, when you are in doubt, breathe it out. So I always do like whenever there is a heavy position, I just inhale, just let it out. Be in the moment. So think of breathing as the control all delete for your brain. Sometimes you just need a little reboot to get back on the track. So stick to your strategy, not to the screen. This one for all the screen watchers out there. Yes, I'm talking to you. Staring at the screen won't make you trade any better, believe me. In fact, too much screen time tends to heighten emotional reaction. So instead of obsessing tracking every tick, focus on the trading plan. You made the plan and you are calm, so trust it with the things to hit up. Remember, the market job is to fluctuate, not to make you comfortable. If you are constantly reacting to every little move, it is just like jumping at each shadow in a haunted house. Stick to your strategy like a ship in a storm is what keep you steady when the market's all over the place. Keep a reminder of your why. Let's be honest, trading isn't always thrilling or rewarding. There will be days you will feel like you are putting all the work and the market's laughing at you. When this happens, it's crucial to remember why you started trading at the first place. Whether it's a financial freedom, more time with the family, or the thrill of the game, keeping that why in mind keeps you grounded and reminds that every day won't be a win, but every day is the part of the journey. So think of it as your motivational poster for the mind. If you ever feeling lost, look back at your reason for trading. It's just like the trading GPS with extra purpose. Set a hard stop for emotions. Now here's something we don't talk about enough. Knowing when to walk away. The best traders know their limits, not just in money, but in emotions too. If you're taking a loss and it's hitting hard, don't let it snowball. Walk away, take a break, stretch, or do something completely unrelated to trading. This way, you reset, refocus, and come back with a clear mind. After all, we are not just here to trade. We are here to win. And winning means sometimes when it's time to pause. Alright? TSM Hub fam. So here's the bottom line. Trading is as much as mindset as it's about market analysis. By staying calm, breathing through your tough moments, sticking to a strategy and knowing your why, you are setting yourself for the success, not just today, but for the long haul. Thanks for tuning into the Stock Mantra Hub podcast. Remember, the market challenge, but with the right mindset, we are more than ready for it. Until next time, stay calm, stay focused, and let's keep making smarts together. With that said, I'm taking a long breath again and exhaling. Finding peace now. So if the today's episode hit home, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video or this post or this podcast or anywhere you are listening to your friend or a fellow trader who could use a little extra calm at the desk. And if you are not the part of the TSM Hub community yet, join us today and let's trade smarter together. Thank you and have a great day.